Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out on Payoneer. If you're using Payoneer and you want to log out of your account, I'll walk you through it quickly, whether you're on mobile or desktop. First, open your Payoneer app. Once you're inside your account, look at the top corner of your screen. You'll usually see your profile icon or menu button. Tap on that. Now scroll down. So keep scrolling and you should see the sign out or log out option at the bottom. Now tap it once and that's it, you're log out. So quick tip, if you're using a shared phone, always log out to keep your account secure. Now on desktop, if you're on a computer, go to Payoneer website and log in into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and you'll see your profile name or icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, and from there, simply click sign out. And just like that, you're logged out of Payoneer account. Now, sometimes the option might not be obvious, so here's what you can do. Try refreshing the app or page. Make sure your app is updated or close the app completely if you're on mobile. So, yeah, that's how you can sign out on Payoneer. Super quick and easy. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, just head to your profile or settings, then find the logout option, and you're done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.